like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video.
Good morning, class. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend.
Well, I did not actually, you dumb stupid ginger.
What the heck, Classic Caillou? We aren't even 2 minutes into the day and you are already misbehaving? Seriously?
Yeah, Classic Caillou. Why can't you just behave for once in your life?
You can shut up too, Caillou. All of you, shut up now.
Whoa. Miss Martin, is everything okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Now everyone open up your books to chapter 2. We have a lot of work to do today. Man, I am so sick of teaching at this school. These darn kids never give me any respect. I seriously do not get paid enough for this crap. Wait, I just got the best idea ever. I am going to ask Principal Derek for a raise. Besides, I have been doing a really good job lately.
Oh, hey Miss Martin, what can I help you with today?
Well, Principal Derek, I was wondering if you could maybe give me a raise. I have been working so hard, and dealing with all of these dumb brats. So please give me a raise. Please, 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 please.
Well, Miss Martin, you have been working really hard. I have fired you more times than I can remember, and you are always terrorizing Caillou. So I am absolutely not going to give you a raise. Go back to class now.
Wah 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 wah. Wow, I cannot believe that idiot wouldn't give me a raise. What am I going to do about it? Wait a minute, is that the fire alarm? Har 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 ha.
Okay, there is Miss Martin. But wait a minute, why is she getting so close to the fire alarm? This cannot be good.
This will teach those idiots a lesson for messing with me. Let's get out of here.
Man, I'm glad everyone is okay.
Come, Principal Derek, may I have a word with you please?
Oh, hey Caillou, what can I do for you today?
Well, I didn't want to be the one to tell you this, but while I was taking a restroom break, I saw Miss Martin pull the fire alarm.
Well, that is very interesting indeed, Caillou. I believe you, but just to make sure, I am going to check the security cameras. Thank you for your help. Alright, let's take a look. What the heck? Caillou was right all along. It was Miss Martin that pulled the fire alarm. I think it's time to call her down to my office and fire her once and for all.
Okay, class. For math, I am just going to have you guys work.
Miss Martin to the principal's office please. I repeat, Miss Martin to the principal's office please.
Oh no 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 no. What can I help you with, Principal Derek?
Well, would you like to explain to me why we had a fire alarm go off earlier?
Oh, well, I don't know, sir. That must have been that dumb brat Caillou, or maybe Classic Caillou.
How about you tell me the truth right now?
Okay, I actually pulled the fire alarm myself. I did it because I wanted to get revenge on you for not giving me a raise earlier. I am so sorry.
Oh, are you kidding? Are you freaking kidding? Oh, Miss Martin, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That is so it. You are so fired, 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 fired. Get out of my office now.
Wah 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 wah. Wah? Wah? Wah wah wah.
Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Did you enjoy the video? Leave a comment if you did.